This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Pivot up the radiator grille badge, insert the key, and rotate it anti-clockwise to release the catch. Now rotate the key clockwise to release the safety catch and lift the bonnet. Support the bonnet with the prop. The air filter housing is located on the passenger's side of the engine compartment. Undo the 4 retaining screws, lift the cover, and remove the old filter element. Remove any debris and wipe clean the filter housing. Remove the PVC foam filter element, clean or renew as necessary. Locate the new air filter element in the housing with the rubber seal uppermost. Refit the filter cover, ensuring it's correctly seated. Reinstall the retaining screws and tighten them securely. Unhook the prop and lower the bonnet firmly. Remove the key and pivot over the badge.